The following message is for all Playtime Company Lab employees. At 11:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, multiple experiments on the factor floor, game station, playcare, and prison all breached at once, attacking anyone in their line of sight. Immediate halt all operations and begin emergency evacuation operations. Leave all personal belongings, and find a safe route out. If there is no safe route, find a safe place to hide, a room, behind boxes, under a desk, or act dead. However, Experiment 1006 is patrolling the labs and killing staff members, like he started the event. Experiment 1171, Chumpkins, Luckil has been locked in engineering, no longer posing as a threat. Elevators to the surface have been destroyed by 1006, except for the executive lift, one of the only ways to the surface, but you need a hand. Your best way to escape the labs is the stairwells that lead all the way to the first floor. You can try to take the stairs to Playcare, and then take an elevator to the Innovation Wing. Thank you, and stay safe. Good luck.
What's the time?
Playtime!